And today we are going to talk about SSC CGL exam pattern. Now SSC CGL 2016 exam is just 1 month away, but still a lot of students are confused about the latest patterns. So in this video we are going to explain the new pattern. So these are the features which are first time included in this year. The interview has been demolished, as you have already heard about that. The exam will be computer based for only tier 1, 2 and 4. Tier 3rd will be descriptive, which will be on pen and paper format. We are going to talk about each tier in detail in the upcoming slides. The age limit has been extended up to 30 years for some posts. Now there used to be a post of assistant cipher in external affairs ministry, which has been discontinued from this year. So let's talk about tiers now. So this is tier 1, which is pretty much the format is pretty much like last year, but the time limit has been halved and the number of questions has also been halved. 2 marks per question there will be, and general studies, reasoning, mathematics, English, all sections including 50 marks each. The paper will be bilingual, both in Hindi and English. You can read and attempt. Then tier 2 consists of 4 papers. Paper 1 and paper 2 are pretty much same which were last year. The quantitative ability, 100 questions of 200 marks, and paper 2 of English language comprehension, 200 questions of 1 marks each, comprising to 200 marks each. Then paper 3 and paper 4 are these are for selected posts. The paper 3 is for the post of statistical invigilator. It will be an exam of statistics which will contain 100 questions of 200 marks, and paper 4 which will be for the post of assistant audit officer. Now this is the only grade A post in this year CGL. Now this is tier 3, which will be a subjective paper. This has been included for the first time in combined graduate level. Subjective paper which used to appear in CHSL and then in civil services. So this year CGL will also conduct this type of exam. 1 hour has been allotted for this. There will be 2 questions as given in notification. Essay writing, the word limit containing 250 words, and then letter writing. There cannot be no negative marking because it is a descriptive paper and you have to write either in Hindi or in English. Then comes tier 4. Tier 4 consists of a computer proficiency test or data entry skill test. This is also for selected posts only for the posts of tax assistant and data entry operators. This will be of qualifying nature and this may not be included in cutoffs. So best of luck guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.